Ban.
Hey, I wasn't feeling this at first, but I think I might be coming around. Yo, Steven! Must seem straight?
Oh, come on, I hate it when I get interrupted by the freaking crystal gems. They're as worse as Gene the emoji the last time. I hope the crystal gems don't talk to me again.
Ban.
I got a friend to show you.
No.
You haven't. This is Garnet.
Oh, come on! I hate it when Garnet called me. First Amethyst called me, and then Garnet from the freaking crystal gems. I hope none of the crystal gems call me, otherwise I'm...
Ban.
On things, but could it be a word just a tad mature for this ritual?
No.
God! I can't believe another crystal gem called me! That's it! I'm going to... Who's doing that? Yes! I bet it's those so-called crystal gems!